Divas. I wanted to bring you an older kit from Diamond Art Club. Now this one was a redo. I think they still had some up left on the site, you know, when they bring back some older kits. This is Christmas King Charles. Kind of looks like a beagle to me. He has a Christmas hat on it, but I like the red and white. I love chocolate chip cookies. So he's so freaking adorable. I just had to get him. So let me take off the plastic and let's get into this pretty little kit. It is a square and it is 51 by 51 centimeters, which is 20 by 20 inches. A nice, cute, easy kit. Now, Diamond Art Club likes to stuff the kit and the goodies down here in the far end. I don't know where the sticker is. Probably in the other end. But I like to open it from the other end by the picture. It does give you a 10% Scan Me code on this end. It gives you all kinds of good information on the box itself. They give you a tiny little sticker that you can use maybe on the end of the box to identify it, or in a notebook, or you can even make put a magnet on the back of it and make it into a cover minder of sorts, or stick it on your fridge. Cutie poo. All right, I'm going to bring you in so I can show you the kit. The Diamond Art Club toolkit. Okay, you get, first and foremost, you get a tray that has a, where's the stopper? Here it is. You get a tray that has the stopper, and the stopper goes in tight in the beginning. It kind of loosens up after a while, but that prevents the diamonds from falling out of your ridged tray as you shake them around. First they give you a random colored pen and squishy. They give you two multi-placers, a 4 and a 7. They give you a heart of 2 hearts of wax. All right, I'm going to put them back in here. They give you a bag of baggies to help you kit down when you're done, or up if you use baggies. For the squares, they give you a Diamond Art Club tweezers, which is a pointy tweezers. They give you a cover minder, which is has a magnet on the back so that when you peel the plastic coating back so that you can reveal the glue, you put one magnet underneath your canvas and one on top of the plastic, and it holds it back for you while you're working. And they give you a random washi tape. Oh, I like this one. This is trees. Let me see if I can open it up for you here. Here we go. That's pretty. I like that one. Purple trees in the snow. White birch, I guess. The washi tape is good to use on the very edge of the canvas to keep any dirt or hair or whatever off of the glue that overlaps the edge of it for a little bit. And also, it can help you section up the parts of the canvas that you might want to do a smaller section at a time, and cut the plastic cover into sections. That'll help you section that off. And of course, you can use it elsewhere as well. Let's get into the kit here. I think it's a partial as well. It's not a full. Oh no, this is a full one. The last King Charles I did, the one with the books, it was a partial. This is a full. Oh boy. I didn't expect that. Okay, that's all right. I want to let you know that there is, if you've never ordered from Diamond Art Club before, there is a 15% off your first purchase, a link down in my description box below. if you've never ordered from them before. So pick up your link. It is an affiliate link. So they give you a pamphlet that also has a thank you code. It has 20% off of your first purchase from the app. Got all kinds of good things in it. They give you a larger sticker in the box that tells you there's 36 colors in here, and 1, 2, 3, 4 are the Aurora Borealis type. And this was before they numbered the Aurora Borealis as 1, 2, 3, and 4, however many there were. But it gives you the sequence number, the symbol that you're going to find on the canvas, and it gives you the color code, the DMC color code number on here. This is by Maryline Cazenave. Christmas King Charles. Cute. Little candy cane there. Little peppermints there next to the cookies. So cute. All right, let's look at him, not the paperwork. All right, each canvas is a short lint canvas. It's fuzzy and smooth on the back, but it's nice and stiff enough to hold all the diamonds that are going to be put on it. It has a pinked and poked edge, which means somebody hit it with a pinking shears, so to speak, and poked with an empty sewing machine needle, so you have this ridge going, and that just prevents it from fraying. You get 2 of the charts on each side that give you the same information, so you can tell what diamonds go where on the canvas. On the bottom, if you can see it, it gives you a thumbnail of what the finished product should look like. It gives you all the pertinent information you need to know about the kit and where it came from, all the information about social media, and that's a good thing on here. There's another take 10 off your next order on there too. If you put up your finished masterpiece on their social media, they give you some points toward your discount level on the site. And it gives you a warranty. It says your canvas comes with a lifetime warranty and a free missing diamonds protection from Diamond Art Club. And you just reach them at support@diamondartclub.com. The drill pack will give you the item number, their kit number, and the name of the kit on it. Let's open up these goodies. And they package them from the most amount of drills, and they put them through the machine. It goes from the most amount of drills to the least amount of drills, except for this one on the end here, for some reason. They are not in numerical order like the chart on the end. But look at all these. This is a winter white. This is not a stark white. So I think that makes it really pretty too. It's a very creamy white. Oh, I love that. I'm going to bring you in so you can see the diamonds up close and personal. What do you think? They have resin drills, which they have their own factory to make the resin drills. They are practically perfect. You will not find many damaged drills in there at all. They give you more than enough diamonds to cover the canvas. I like that. It's like creamy milk. It's beautiful. All right. Let me find the rest of the special drills real quick. Okay, so you've seen the white creamy drills. Now these are the rest of the drills that you'll be using. All right. Just a little bit of 310s. Just enough to set off the beautiful eyes. Now, if you really wanted to make the eyes sparkly iridescent, you would get some 310s that are Aurora Borealis, and that would really make the eyes shimmer. But mostly, it looks like the 310s are mostly in the eyes and in the cookies. You have some beautiful chocolate browns. Oh, look at the gorgeous red. I love the reds in this kit. Very pretty. Of course, you'd have shades of red. Seeing as how you have peppermints in here. Now let me show you the special drills, the Aurora Borealis. You have a peach color. Now, Aurora Borealis is a special coating that goes over the drills to give it kind of a special shine. It also reflects some of the different colors around it. So it won't completely look like the color that it's on. Okay, there's on the pure white with the Aurora Borealis. Now let's find out where these guys go on the canvas. The first one is the red, and I'm going to bring it out so you can see that. Where they are on this little cutie poo. So we're looking for the letter A. There's some down here. There's some in the peppermints on the napkin or dish underneath here, and in this peppermint. No wait, that's the letter N. Let me see. The A is here, and it's in here. So that's where it's going to sparkle. There are some A's up along this ridge in here on the cup. There are some in here on this side of the handle, right in here. Any in this cutie little hat? Yep, there's a few. There's a few there. Right in here. Right across the top of his little hat is the red sparkle. Now let's see where the little peach sparkle will go. That's the equals sign, and where are you? Where are you? Okay, you are in, the peachier is in the handle, right around the ridge of the handle, like where the light will reflect off of that. It's in the ridge of the upper handle, the top cup that this little cupcake puppy is in. Anywhere else? Let's see. There's some in the bottom of the cup. The shadow of the cup down here. So you have that in 3 places. The darker pink, that's going to be the plus sign. And that's right next to those. So you have those 2 peachy colors next to each other in the handle here. And in this part of the candy cane, I see some in here. And in the peppermints, in the cup and in the peppermints down here. Peppermint stripes. In here. That's cute. And then you have the 141 white, which is a 5200 white, which will be, now that's by the letter X in this one. Let me see. Okay, this ridge that delineates between the 2 cups here, right in this polka dot, in the polka dots, they're the X's. They're going to be flashy. Yep, that's where I see them. Any in his little hat? No. Not that I can see. So it's basically in the cups and in the spots on the cup. That's where the white ones are going to go. Isn't it cute? Look at the cute little nose. The sad little eyes. That's where I would put the black reflection. Because when you look into a living being's eyes, right, that's where you see the light jump off of. You want to see the light in somebody's eyes, in this little cutie poo's eyes, don't you? Yeah. The thing that people don't like with the 310 black is it has the coating, the Aurora Borealis coating over top of it will make it look like peacock colors. It's got blues and greens and it reflects those colors out of it. But in the eyes, that would be beautiful. That's where I want the focal point, right there. Yeah, the spots on the cup are wonderful. The chocolate chip cookies look yummy. So do the candies look special. But Cutie Pose eyes, that's where I want it. Yeah, very nice. All right, thank you for joining me for Christmas King Charles by Mary Line Cazenave. And I hope you enjoy this kit. Pick it up before it goes out of stock again. And look for the others in the series that have the King Charles Spaniel. There's a few of them now. They won't all be full drilled all the way out to the sides, but that's fine. The partial drills have a pretty background on it, and you do the main piece in the drills. That's the difference between the two. All right, and join us for the rest of the Workbasket community, and we will see you on Tuesday nights at 9 o'clock on YouTube Live. Bye, Divas.